Hey guys, now that we have the yellow daisy, and what do I mean by that? We have yellow in the center, in the middle. We have the four white pieces as neighbors. We don't care about these corners right now. So we just have white, 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 and then yellow in the middle. That's the yellow daisy. Once we've completed the first step and got to this point, what do we do next? So I'm going to tell you another story. This one involves your friends and wearing matching clothes. So I want you to think of these top white pieces as white hats. These right here, this spot right here, what do you have underneath the hat? You have the t-shirt. And then what do you have underneath the t-shirt? You have the pants. So the hat, the t-shirt, and the pants. Now what we want to do is make sure that we have the white hat on top, which we already do. We have 4 white hats. And then we want the t-shirt and pants to match. So all I'm going to do is spin the top row. Now I'm seeing I have blue pants. And you have to think about your pants first. Don't think about the shirt first. Think about the pants. What color are these pants? They are blue. So let's spin the top row. Are these matching? Does this red t-shirt match the blue pants? No. Spin it again. Orange t-shirt, blue pants. Notice we still have the white hat. And here we go. Blue t-shirt, blue pants, white hat. Perfect. As soon as we're looking very good, just like that, white hat, matching t-shirt and pants, we're just going to rotate the front. Like we talked about earlier, you can call this the Ferris wheel or a cartwheel or turn it like a clock. And we're going to turn it 2 times. So watch this. Once, twice. And now you notice these 2 match on the bottom. And that white hat that was on top, where did it go when you rotated this twice? It's on the bottom. There we go. So that's good. So now let's bring it back. And remember, how do we hold the cube? Always with the yellow on top. So now that we've done this, all you're going to do is just take the whole thing and turn it over. Like the whole thing. I'm not turning one row specifically. I'm just turning the whole cube over. And we focused on the blue pants before, and now we're going to focus on the red pants. Look at this. We have the white hat, but we don't have the matching clothes here. So what do we need to do? We need to rotate just the top one. Great. We have the white hat, the matching t-shirt, which is red, and the red pants. And as soon as we have a matching outfit and the matching clothes, we turn it twice. Once, twice. Look on the bottom. There we go. Matching, matching, and then we have white. And I'm going to move the cube back up. And remember, yellow on top. We just focused on the red pants, and before we focused on the blue pants. I'm not rotating a specific layer. I'm just going to take the whole thing and move it over. Great. Now it's time to focus on the middle here, which is green pants. Now, we always want the white hat. I can already tell that the only other white hat is over there. So I'm sure that the other side of this is going to be green. But let's just check and confirm. Rotate once. This has to be white. That's the first thing we have to do. Right now, if you had matching pieces here, that is not enough. You have to have the white hat on top. That's very important. There we go. White hat. That's the first thing we got to do. Matching. Clothes. Rotate once. Rotate twice. And now it's on the bottom. Now we just focused on the green pants. I'm going to take the whole cube and rotate it over. And now we have orange pants. These are the only pants we haven't talked about. You might be getting excited. Look, a matching t-shirt. But that's not good enough. What do we need with our matching clothes? A white hat, and we don't have it. Let's rotate again. And there it is. Matching clothes and the white hat. What do we do? Rotate it 2 times. Once, twice. Of course, that white hat is now on the bottom. So remember, we still have yellow on top, and that's how we will continue to hold the cube. However, I just want you to pay attention to what's happened on the bottom. What did we accomplish? Look at this. It's called the white cross. And when you have that on the bottom, you have now completed step number 2. But we need to rotate the cube and make sure we are still holding it with the yellow middle piece on top.